For example, in the swimming case, you use with a discount of 10.77 meters or more. The surface length of the waistband of the build liners 400 millimeters thick is or less than the 3 box. Therefore, the formulas must increase important and reduce tubes. And so, the new grading component of the formula station should be an introduct. That is the new idea. At the bottom, the internet stating of the formulas. Under the working condition to adopt to the new working, the understanding of the formulas must be checked. That's the first picture. And we put forward the new concept of the single computation used. The code mill is a calculate the intermediate plans. And you may know the introduct grade plan where after the grading of the formulas has a fast rise and a new mirror like this follows. And some other more information that need to single group formulas working on formulas and make a repetition with milk to run more study and motion and make the quantity of the material in milk more constant and another log of the 30 millimeter in the formulas is undrawn for the grading material based on the obtainment of the mills in the single chain mill. The mixed mill descent of the material and in the position of the material are taken from the ferrying and the discharge end. This grading step of the formulas has a model for rounds and the adaptation of the material of the grading mill. Therefore, it must be not removed under change. And the new liners in the single mills are often they change to create as 5 or 6 types. And very more. And in the body side is 3.8. And the long side is more than 30 meters. The single chain formulas in standing with the computers 6 fat blind liners have been successful over the 7 years. The portal will introduce our country and provide to tools, and it only have about 25 km. And more important, should reserve and lift of gravity systems material has been introduced by more than 80s. And in the similar mills, with the limit of the 4.2 and the side is 13.5 meters long. The output per hose is as high as 290 tons, weighing 14.5 cement. And the electric output per tons is about 25 kilometers. That is very high. And about our grinding mills, very efficient. Use raw progress, grading progression. The consists of the bone mills is not longer need the news grading and per dose than per day. And our believes that only on for birth or design and the grading come on firm bone mills and longer with us with the maturity. The longer the curve of the grading birth, the more and greater than the small the contagion between the bone and the maturity, the more the grading abortion will be. So, in our cement build, on former this meter, both are output of the pressure protections of the cement output and the protect good resistance have been achieved. And about our shorter life, maturities. A new belief that best where resistant maturity must be suitable, and both the landers and the grading boards should be maintained the best decision surface for a long time in a meeting rotation. And more introduced, both in the news and the grading board should be chose best where we state maturity, which we can take and most effective operationally, and there are no special stand between the mill liners and the grading boards. And there are raw maturity between them. And like this. Now the other maturity, the landers First, we use the material in a high line with hours. And how to choose them? The first one, the carbon needs to more than 3 proton, and the chromo we think that need to more than 15 proton. So the highest we should be more than the HRC 660. And we do not obtain the chromo 8, chromo 10, chromo 11 to use the operating boards, because that is not okay. And we suggest use the 3.7 carbon, 26 chromo, 1.8 molten, and 1.2 nickels, and 4.6 copper. Then the material is longer to service. And about our long chromo white harbor grading boards. We can production the hardness in more than HRC 15.5, and the input average is more than 10 G. And also, we have a high quality grading boards and a cement liners. And no, we do not have table of the rock condition cement liners. Yes, about our cement liners, some photos. The first one, like these photos that use the more than 6, 8 modes. Yes, like these photos. And the cylinder is 16, more than 16 modes. And they're very and in terms, the very center of the cement liner and more than 3 times of the global 15 castings are liners. Very high. Because my future task, our completion is the colors and grading table can introduce the output of the board mills by more than 20 service about 20 and the take the lift on the very simple curious by more than 550. And this is all of our new learners about system and learners. And about our another very serious parts. We also including some similar learners, SAG learners, AG learners, homers, rubber learners, and commodity lift bars, grading boards, centrifugal castings that during the high como and the nickel and iron wire like this simple and job plan. Common multi big rounds and high line casting plants and precision machine using a machine. And about our very students material. We use the material. The first one is white iron, high chromo white iron cut programs like this. We study the ISO 288 and 206. The chromo is from 20, 30 to the 35. And the hardness is also very high, that from HRC 15 to HRC 65. Like this. And the AKG is from 5 to 15G. And our another high-end material is nickel hard white iron material, like this bottle. That including HDW 480 Cobalt 2 and HBW 500 Cobalt 9 and HBW 600 Cobalt 2 and HBW 630 Cobalt 9. About this material, the 400 and 500 and 600 and 555, that means the hardness. The hardness is about HBW, like the 480, 50, and HBW 600, HBW 630, and the chromo F chromo 2. to lines. And we can put this material that have the nickels. That is called the whatever have chromosomes. And we can know the nickel is from 3.0 to 5.5. And this material, the hardness is also very high. And then also have another setting like AS2027 or ASTM A532 and GN and HV also they have set is BM. Like the first one, HPW 418 chrome 2. And another we call it HPW nickel 4 chrome 2 titan DT. Like these photos. This is some photos about our pattern. Like the first one, this is ASTM A532 code 25 code formulators. And the second is where we see some skills plans for Australia project. And another is India project, Chromo 80, Castings. And these photos in our nickel hard, whatever is very popular for nickel hard 604. And another photos, we send them the Australia and the Brazils. And we also have another more and more photos like this. This is our parts. Other usual parts. And now, I will introduce our body lift parts. Our lift parts, another thing, we call it chromo multi castings. That looks like this type. And the lift part is use the where precision parts used in the mills, like this mills. This is the mill. This is our lift part, and also another we call it chrome multi castings. Okay. And like these photos, we often check our parts. They are certain finish one by one. And this is a working surface finish. This is another surface finish. And we check our hardness. So this photos we can know this hardness is exactly 38.9. And we also do UT test like these photos. Yes, our another part. This is one class of the left part that including 4 parts of the chromomorphic castings that made by us and use the rubbles like this. And the blank looks blank as rubbles, and the steel part is after our chromomorphic castings. Like this, one by one. And they often use the SEG mills and AG mills. This is very popular. Yes. Like this photo. This is the mills and the grading mills, grading bars, and our little bus class, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts in one class. And this blank looks blank or is a rubble. And these bars are used in sand, the mills, and very distinct letters. Like these photos. And we also check it by SGS test, like these photos. This is a SEG test. The first picture that including our hardness number and material. This material is AS2074 to be modified. And our tested date. That including the first one is our maturity report, like this. We can consider all in the past. So that means our maturity is okay. Alright. And the part 2 is hardness test, like this. The hardness is from HRC 13 to 40, to 9 to 40, and our hardness is HRC from 13, 32, 28 to 35 per 2. The concept is also in parts. And also, we check out the magnetic settings, like these photos. This means fluctuations in more than 1990. We'll consider also a part. So our this symbol, this part, or the part that we okay, and we will ship it to our and all our material like this. This material has chromomorphic online use like this. That's including AS2074, L2A, and L2B, and L2C. About our chromomorphic artists, we use the material AS2074, L2B, 25. And chromomorphic steel also including some AG45 chromomorphic and AG30 chromophic voltage, and another FMU29, FMU11, FED form. And then we use the progress is the same kind of progress to make this commemorative artist. And the Hamid says for each different 3,300 tests or 300 meters. And another part is our work plan. The work plan is used the mixing plan. Like this photo, we will send it to UK. And this is a small part and another big part. And other photos like this. Some photos, 2 hosts and 3 hosts. Lost like this. This is 3 hosts and 2 hosts. This is the small 2 hosts. And then use the lost castings like this. And the lost went from 0.5 kilometer to 10 kilometer one piece of our web blog. Web blog, yes. Like this photos, web blog used the symbols like this. This one is by yellow in this earth, and by blue a small cat, also some little cats like this. And this is our concealing. Use that. And the windows we need repairing, so I can't show that. And this is our next car, like this. Some photos, and when we check our part finished, we will put it in a wooden case like this, and wait to a box that included the case number and the part number, part quantity, and material channel to UK like this. And this is about our web blonde material. The material is BW 510 chrome 2 and nickel hard with our, and when we check our part is okay, we will send our inspection report to our computers. I like this photo, including our computer name, owner number, jury, and the part number, quantity, and the hit number, inspection number, and that included also the jury report, handed report, and signed drawings, and some photos, like these photos. The first one is our maturity report. and then also in the past. This is our hard list report. The hard list is more than HR 30. So this hard list report is also passed. And the last part is our sign. Yes. And we consider our customers. And about our paint, also have some plans like this. Promoted to the landers and we do PT. And this is ASTM to class 3 type A land. And we do hardness test. This is our check our nickel hard 1 and 500 background. And nickel hard 4 and 630 for liners to the liners. We check our side with focus. Check our horse and our check our hardness, surface. And for another liners like this. This is a chrome multi liners. Hardness is more than 50. HRC 50 and white bars and we do have T inspection for S80 mil liners and we also check our hardness. The hardness is HRC 16.8 and our hardness material and other photos. And this part, we used the progress is a second progress. And please look at these photos. This is some wooden painting and football. Is the mask in our pen. It's a pen, and check our how to use the both. Check our side, one side, and both sides. And we do some marks in yellow, like this. And we also check our hardness. The hardness is 62.5. And check our bolts, both sides, and more. And this is my shoes. If you have any very student parts, please follow us and you will understand your inquiry about your choice, size, material, and quality, and more information. Thank you. Please follow us. Nice. Welcome to Sherry. Okay. Hi, Sherry.
Hello. Hello everyone, this is Sherry from EB China. Welcome to our lecture day about cobalt alloy and dental alloy. Today the lecture topic is cobalt alloy and dental alloy. For catalog, you can see they are I will introduce part two parts. Part one is cobalt alloy. Part two is dental alloy. For cobalt alloy, I will introduce stainline balls and things. First one, the material of stainline. Stainline is a hard alloy that can withstand various types of wear and clothing and high temperature oxidation, commonly known as cobalt chromium tungsten or cobalt-based alloy. Stainline is a base of cobalt of the main component. Contains a considerable amount of nickel, chromium, and tungsten. You can see this table is chemical composition for stainline. For example, stainline strength for carbide is 2.0 to 2.7%. For manganese is less than 1.0%. For silicon is less than 1.0%. For chromium is 29 to 33%. For nickel is less than 3.0%. For tungsten is 11 to 14%. For iron is less than 3.0%, and the cobalt is balanced. Stainline 4. For carbide is 0.8 to 1.2%. For manganese is less than 1.0%. For silicon is less than 1.5%. For chromium is 28 to 32%. For nickel is 3.0%. For tungsten is 5.5 to 15.5%. For iron is less than 3.0%, and the cobalt is balanced. Stainline 6. For carbide is 0.9 to 1.4%. For manganese is less than 1.0%. For silicon is less than 1.5%. For chromium is 27 to 31%. For nickel is 3.0%. For tungsten is 3.5 to 5.5%. For iron is less than 3.0%, and the cobalt is balanced. Standard point. For carbide is 1.1 to 1.7%. For manganese is less than 1.0%. For silicon is less than 1.0%. For chromium is 28 to 32%. For nickel is less than 3.0%. For tungsten is 7 to 9%. For iron is less than 3.0%, and the cobalt is balanced. Standard 20. For carbide is 2.2 to 3.0%. For silicon is less than 2.0%. For chromium is 30 to 34%. For nickel is less than 3.0%. For tungsten is 14 to 18%. For iron is less than 3.0%, and the cobalt is balanced. Next, the products for standard boards and seals. This photo is standard boards. The standard boards is cobalt alloy. The hardness is HRC35 to HRC55. The mostly used material is standard 20. This one is standard 6. The material of the standard 6 is generally lower than the material of the standard boards. The material is the standard 3 or A3. Next, some photos for standard boards and seals. Next, some videos for standard boards and seals. This video is for standard boards. The material is standard 20. Next video is for process. Next, painting photos from standard boards and seals. You can see these photos. We have two types for painting. One is cut, the other is wooden box. Next, test report for standard board and seals. You can see this test report. The material is A3 or standard 3. The specification is diameter 31.75 mm. Next chemical composition for standard 3. You can see for carbide is 2.95. For chromium is 33.79. For iron is 1.7. For nickel diameter is 1.95. For secret is 0.59. For tungsten is 18.1. For manganese is 0.27. And the cobalt is balanced. For physical properties, the hardness is 59 6. Next, size of cyanide balls and six. First one, cobalt alloy balls. First, specification. We have many different sizes for cyanide balls, such as diameter 15.88 mm. The unit weight is 18 grams. Diameter 19.05 mm. The unit weight is 45 grams. Diameter 22.23 mm. The unit weight is 50 grams. Diameter 23.83 mm. The unit weight is 61 grams. Diameter 25.4 mm. The unit weight is 74 grams. Diameter 28.575 mm. The unit weight is 105 grams. Diameter 31.75 mm. The unit weight is 145 grams. Diameter 34.925 mm. The unit weight is 195 grams. Diameter 38.1 mm. The unit weight is 253 grams. Diameter 32.88 mm. The unit weight is 357 grams. Diameter 50.8 mm. The unit weight is 593 grams. The material is cyanide 20. Next, cobalt alloy 6. For weight 11 to 106, the unit weight is 23 grams. For weight 11 to 125, the size for ball is diameter 19.05 mm. The size for sticks is odd diameter is 23.32 mm. Inner diameter is 13.97 mm. And the height is 5.7 mm. And the unit weight is 30 grams. From weight 30 to 175, the size for ball is diameter 28.58 mm. The size for seat is diameter 35.26. Inner diameter is 20.96 mm. And the height is 5.7 millimeter, and the unit weight is 68 grams. From weight 11 to 200, and the unit weight is 69 grams. For weight 11 to 225, the unit weight is 100 grams. For weight 11 to 250, the unit weight is 126 grams. The material is C93 or A3. Next, I would like to show some samples for you. You can see this sample is C9 balls. This one is a bigger balls. The size is diameter 15.8 millimeter. This one is a small ball. You can see the diameter is 15.88 millimeter. The material is C920. The surface is G100. You can see this sample is C96. The material is C93. The odd diameter is 23.32 millimeter. Inner diameter is 13.97 millimeter, and the height is 12.7 millimeter. Okay, next, export for C9 balls and seeds. We have export C9 balls and seeds to many countries, such as the USA, UK, Italy, Spain, Brazil, and Australia, and other countries. Our customers have very good feedback on our C9 balls and seeds. If you have any inquiry for C9 balls and seeds, please call us. Thank you. Next, part 2. Dental alloy. Nickel and cobalt dental alloy. First one, chemical composition for dental alloy. The casting process of dental alloy parts is investment casting, also known as lost wax casting method. The basic process is to first make a wax model from wax or plastic. The surface of the wax model is coated with an embedding material to make the casting model, and then the molten alloy is cast into the casting cavity inside, forming a casting. This one is cobalt chromium dental alloy. For chromium, it's 27 to 30%. For molybdenum is 5.0 to 7.0%. For carbide, it's 0.2 to 0.26%. For manganese, it's 0.28 to 0.38%. For silicon, it's 0.75 to 0.97%. And the cobalt is balanced. This one is nickel chromium dental alloy. For carbide, it's less than 0.05%. For silicon, it's less than 1.5%. For chromium, is 28 to 26%. For iron, it's less than 2.0%. For molybdenum, is 9.0 to 11.0%, and the nickel is balanced. Next, demand distribution of dental alloy. The market for dental alloy is very broad because of the widespread dental industry. The demand for dental alloy has increased. As we all know, there are many types of dental alloy materials. Today, we share the demand for dental alloy of various materials. This photo is demand distribution. First one is nickel dental alloy, accounted for 59% of the world. The second one is cobalt dental alloy, accounted for 31% of the world. The third one is nickel beryllium containing dental alloy, accounted for 7% of the world. The last one is others, accounted for 3% of the world. Next, some photos for dental alloy. Next, some videos for dental alloy. This video is for nickel chromium dental alloy. Okay, next video. This video is for nickel chromium, is for cobalt chromium dental alloy. Next, I will show some samples for you. You can see we have two types for dental alloy. This one is cobalt chromic dental alloy. You can see the diameter is 6 mm and the length is 8 mm. This one is nickel chromic dental alloy. The diameter is 9.6 mm and the length is 10 mm. Okay, if you have any inquiry from dental alloy, please follow our show. Thank you. That's all for my speech now. Thanks for your watching. Welcome to our next live show. Thank you. Okay, welcome my colleague Joyce.
Hello everyone, this is Joyce from EB Channel. Today I will introduce the metal covers and the grill covers produced by our company. First, I will introduce the advantages of electrical iron tool. For electrical iron, it has good toughness. The impact value is similar to that of medium carbon steel, which is more than 10 times of the grill iron weight. It has a high strength. The tensile strength is more than 420 MPa. The yield strength is more than 300 MPa, the same as low carbon steel, three times of the grill iron weight. And it has good casting. The elevation is more than 7%, and it is similar to high carbon steel. But grill iron weight elevation is almost zero. It also has a strong corrosion resistance. In the water spray corrosion test, the corrosion amount in 90 days is only 1/40th of the steel pipe and 1/10th of the grill iron pipe. The service life is twice that of grill iron pipe and 5 times that of ordinary steel pipe. It also has good damping and low cost. Because of the nodular graphite microstructure of nodular cast iron, it is superior to cast steel in reducing vibration. An important reason for choosing superior graphite cast iron is such kind of cast iron has a lower cost than cast steel. The low cost of nodular cast iron makes this material more popular. The casting efficiency is higher, and the machining cost of nodular cast iron is also reduced. Next, I will introduce the characteristics of deco iron metal covers to you. First, it has no noise during service, in line with environmental requirements. The contact surface between the body and the room is almost zero. We adopt 3 processes to assure 100% seamless match truth. Eliminates the noise when the real codes are assembled. The tensile strength, toughness, strong bearing force, the above three are 7 times that of ordinary cast iron, which are close to the material of steel. And the carrying capacity is much better than the national standard. As you know, our national standard is 360 kN. It can withstand all kinds of heavy truck rolling, and it can efficiently prevent the accident from the failure of metal covers. It is also very safety. The integrated meshing of our safe deco iron metal covers will not fall off the ground and will not sheet. Next are some features of deco iron grip covers. For grip covers, it has bigger bearing capacity, better anti-theft capacity, and better fixing performance. It will not be lifted or washed away by rainwater during heavy rain. The material is generally cast iron, with a gap in the middle of facilitates smooth flow of water into the well, and there is generally a row of strong sticks to block dirt or other debris. For grip covers, it is very easy in construction, light in weight. It has better in load bearing, impact resistant, and anti-bending. It is very beautiful and durable after hot deep clean treatment. It has better anti-corrosion. We adopt pink meshing or hook meshing, which is easy to order and has anti-theft connection function. As you know, our metal cover complies the EN 124 standard. You can see the specific date on our screen. For A15, the bearing capacity is about 1.5 tons, and it is very suitable for pedestrians and bicycles. For B125, the bearing capacity is about 12.5 tons, and the application fields are footpaths, pedestrian areas, car parks, or parking platforms. For C250, the bearing capacity is about 25 tons, and it is very suitable for beaches beside the road. For D400, the bearing capacity is about 40 tons. It is very suitable for roadway carriageway, car shoulder, and parking area. For E600, the bearing capacity is about 60 tons, and the application field aircraft hangars and flight runways. For F900, the bearing capacity is about 90 tons, and the application field is the airstream. Next, I will recommend some size of metal covers to you. If you need the bearing capacity about 1.5 tons, I recommend this for you. The first one, you can see the size. The out diameter is 300 millimeter, and the cover diameter is 280 millimeter. The clear opening is 245 millimeter. The depth is 25 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 6.5 kilogram. Another one. For this one, the out diameter is 400 millimeter. The cover diameter is 380 millimeter. The clear opening is 340 millimeter. The depth is 25 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 12.5 kilograms. For this one, the out diameter is 400 millimeter. The cover diameter is 390 millimeter. The clear opening is 330 millimeter. The depth is 60 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 18.5 kilograms. For this one, the out diameter is 600 millimeter. The cover diameter is 495 millimeter. The clear opening is 430 millimeter. The depth is 60 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 23.5 kilograms. If you need the bearing capacity about 12.5 tons, you can try this. The first is round, and the out diameter is 650 millimeter. The cover diameter is 600 millimeter. The clear opening is 570 millimeter. The depth is 50 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 34 kilograms. Another one. For this one, the out diameter is 1000 millimeter. The cover diameter is 755 millimeter. The clear opening is 700 millimeter. The depth is 70 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 70 kilograms. This one. For this one, the out diameter is 400 millimeter. The depth is 30 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 9 kilograms. Another one. For this one, the out diameter is 500 millimeter. The depth is 35 millimeter. The unit weight is about 15 kilograms. If you need the bearing capacity about 25 tons, you can try this. The first one. For this one, the out diameter is 900 millimeter. The cover diameter is 700 millimeter. The depth is 100 millimeter, and the unit weight for this one is about 60 kilograms. For this one, the out diameter is 800 millimeter. The cover diameter is 700 millimeter. The depth is 75 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 49 kilograms. Another one. You can see the out diameter is 750 millimeter. The cover diameter is 635 millimeter. The depth is 80 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 55 kilograms. If you need the bearing capacity about 40 tons, you can try this. The first one. For this one, the out diameter is 650 millimeter. The cover diameter is 540 millimeter. The clear opening is 510 millimeter. The depth is 100 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 58 kilograms. Another one. For this one, the out diameter is 850 millimeter. The cover diameter is 635 millimeter. The clear opening is 600 millimeter. The depth is 100 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 65 kilograms. For this, you can see the bearing capacity is about 60 tons. And the first one, for this one, the out diameter is 900 millimeter. The cover diameter is 700 millimeter. The clear opening is 670 millimeter. The depth is 100 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 85 kilograms. The second one. For this one, the out diameter is 760 millimeter. The cover diameter is 645 millimeter. The clear opening is 600 millimeter. The depth is 100 millimeter. The unit weight is about 100 kilograms. The third one. For this one, the length is 1,390 millimeter. The width is 860 millimeter. The depth is 150 millimeter. The unit weight is about 430 kilograms. For this one, the bearing capacity is about 90 tons, and it is suitable for airstream. The length for this one is 560 millimeter. The width is 460 millimeter. The depth is 45 millimeter. The unit weight is about 40 kilograms. Next, I will show some rear covers to you. The first one, the bearing capacity is about 1.5 tons. The length is 500 millimeter. The width is 300 millimeter. The depth is 27 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 6.5 kilograms. The third one, for this one, the length is 590 millimeter. The width is 530 millimeter. The depth is 50 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 30 kilograms. For this one, the bearing capacity is about 12.5 tons. The next one, for this one, the length is 630 millimeter. The width is 465 millimeter. The depth is 40 millimeter, and the unit weight is about 23.5 kilograms. For this one, the bearing capacity is about 25 kilograms, 25 tons. The last one. For this one, the length is 730 millimeter. The width is 295 millimeter. The depth is 220 millimeter. The unit weight is about 43 kilograms. The bearing capacity for this one is about 40 tons. Certainly, we have not only this size of the products, but also many other sizes. For the time reasons, we only introduce this. We can also customize burner size of ductile iron metal covers and door covers according to your requirements. So if you have any inquiry, please follow our shop and send your inquiry to us. We will try to quote you as soon as possible. Next, I will show some videos to you. This is our production plant. This is our factory smelting furnace. You can see in the video we are powering. And this is our flow chart. First, we need to short lasting, and then polish them. After finished product assembly, we will do anti-rust treatment. Okay, thanks. That's all for my speech. Next, welcome our next live show.
不是会英语的，不练练都已经都那个了，那个了。英语不说，以后越来越不行了。有这么好的机会不练，白练。大弟，你把我的那个衬板那个打开。哦，是不是讲过？谁讲过？就今天吗？就是那个水泥沫子是吧？不是，你把它打开，我要重点讲一下它。因为我那个陶瓷还没来得及和 PPT。这是它几个纸上手机。 Hello, my dear friend. How are you? This is Julia from EB China. Okay, today is a Friday afternoon. This is our regular live show every week. Okay, so thanks for watching our live show. Okay, so just now, uh, you know, uh, our colleagues, have shared several live shows. The first live show is about, where plates and meal liners delivered by John Liu, and then our colleague Shelley Hu, shared the live show about the cobalt alloy castings and parts. Okay, then our colleague Joyce, shared the product, the cast iron manhole covers. Okay, so from the above product information, you can learn that EB China, specialize in high alloy castings and forgings. Actually, made from wear, heat, and curing resistant castings and forgings. Okay. Okay, so today I'd like to introduce some new information, about our new product series. Okay, so just now, our manager John Liu has shared some information about mill liners. Actually, we have very latest technology about cement mill lining, but actually the material grade, the material is ceramic. As you may know that ceramic is the most abrasive, wear resistant materials in the world. But considering the impact value, the low impact value, so such kind of ceramic so far has not been widely used in the cement, in the mill lining application. But with our boatless ball mill lining technology, ceramic, high abrasion ceramic can be safely used in cement mill liners and some mine mill liners. Okay, so also with this opportunity, I'd like to show you some photos of our ceramic liners. Okay, so so far in cement mill industries, the most popular cement mill size are three types. The first one is the cement mill with 3.2 meters in diameter and 30 meters long. The second one is 3.8 meters in diameter and 13 meters long. The third one is 4.2 meters in diameter and 13 meters long. Okay, so you can see this is a kind of a traditional cement mill. All the cement mills are full of bolt holes. All the mill liners will be bolted by bolts. Okay, so this is also in mining application. This is a ball mill, but following the sand mill. The sand mill You know, the sand mill is a kind of crushing machines. Okay, so in this photo, the sand mill diameter is 11.2 meters, very big size. Okay, I've tried to find some ceramic mill liners. Okay, this is this is the ceramic mill liners. In the between the two hydrogen white iron lining circumference. Between them there is the ceramic mill liners. But how do the ceramic mill liners are installed in the cement mills? Because our ceramic mill liners are no bolt holes. So how to install them into our cement mills? So this is our boltless mill lining technology. Yeah, very special lining technology. In the past 30 years, our boltless mill lining technology have been widely used in Chinese coal-fired power plants. So far, with the development of ruler press in cement industry and mining industry, the ball mills can be just used for grinding machines. So the grinding balls can be used with a small size. Actually, for example, just 30 millimeter in diameter. Then the ceramic mill liners can be used widely. Okay, so from this photo you can see our ceramic mill liners have been used for 64 months in Tianjin Jinyu cement group. Okay. The diameter of the cement mill is 3.8 meters, and the length is 13 meters long. Okay, so far, our ceramic mill liners have passed the industrial experiments, because so far for this month, until this month, 64 months has been passed. Actually, the special thing is that our ceramic liners are mixed with high chromium cast iron liners, but it is also safe, reliable under the premise that the operating environment is not conducive to the ceramic liners. Okay, ceramic liners, the unit weight of ceramic liners is very light, just 0.46 times of high chrome white iron liners. Very light. Also, but its wear performance is about at least four times of high chrome white iron. Also, you know, ceramic liners are not metal elements. So, with the wide application of ceramic liners, you know, the large amount of metal can be saved. And in our ceramic mill lining technology, actually we recommend to use the high chrome white iron bores. So the best match is that high chrome white iron bores and ceramic mill liners. So, you know, this year is 2021, and also we can say that the ball mills has entered the era of ceramic liners. You know, with the next several years, we will widely promote our ceramic mill liners into the wide industrial application. Okay, we firmly believe that in the ball mill system engineering, the combination of ceramic liners and metal bores will quickly spread to cement, mining, and other industrials worldwide. Because with our boltless mill lining technology, we also believe that the ceramic liner will make a brilliant contribution to the 2021-25 China manufacturing. Okay, so it has a big significance. Okay, but actually, what kind of ceramic can be used safely to make the ceramic mill liners? Okay, so you know, for ceramic, you know, our ceramic mill liners just are used in the normal working temperature. So for mill lining application, we just take the advantage of the excellent, very resistant properties of ceramic. So actually, you know, we will use the just 92% or 95% aluminum oxide materials to make the ceramic liners. Yes, the wear performance is enough. Yes, if we adopt 95% ceramic, on theory, the wear performance will be better than 92% ceramic, but you know the production cost will be a little higher. Also, 99% aluminum will be better than 95 or 92% aluminum oxide. But you know the production cost will be higher and higher. So from the industrial view, also the economic view, 95% ceramic will be enough for our ceramic mill liner application. Because for example, for 92% aluminum oxide mill liners, the volume density is more than 3.5 meters, 3.5 G per, more than 3.5. And the HRA hardness is more than 83, so very high. And the HV, the hardness HV is more than 800. The bending strength is more than 250 MPa, and the pressure strength is 800 MPa. The wear volume is less than 0.6 cubic centimeters, and the breaking toughness is KIC is more than 3.2 MPa. Actually, the application range includes the air conveyor and powder facility. Also some cement mill liners, and some wheel plates, but with low impact application. Yes, we have many different ceramic types. Just now we talked about the 92% ceramic, 95% ceramic, 99% ceramic, ZTA ceramic, ARZ ceramic, and ZR ceramic. Many different ceramics have many different applications. But for cement mill liners, 92% ceramic, 95% ceramic are enough. Okay, so ceramic has different properties. Just now we talk about the excellent wear-resistant application, the performance for the ceramic. Also, ceramic is a kind of non-metallic material. They have very good high temperature properties. Ceramic can be safely used in the working temperature up to 1,700 centigrades. So for some steel mills for some pellets process, it is under the high temperature working working condition. Also, it requires the high operation. So, under such kind of working condition, how can we use the ceramic into such kind of application? For example, this is a kind of wear blades. This is a typical wear parts, wear blades, used in concrete mixers. Actually, we made this kind of wear blades from nickel hard white iron. The hardness is more than HRC 52. But for such kind of materials, it can be used in the room temperature or the working temperature less than 100 centigrade. Okay, but when the materials are used in the up to 1300 centigrade working temperature, how can we find a kind of very excellent wear-resistant materials also to resist the high temperature? This is a big problem. Okay, so you can see that this photo is for a screw conveyor machine, conveying machines screw. The working temperature is up to 1,300 centigrade. All the very hot iron pellets. This is the blades, screw blades. So how to find a suitable materials to solve the problem of high abrasion in high temperature working condition. Okay, so EB China also produce the heat-resistant steel materials. Yes, you will see from this table, you can see, this is our typical heat-resistant steel castings. From 1.4823, 1.4825, 1.4826, 1.4832, 1.4837, 1.4848, 1.4865, 1.4857, 1.4855, 1.4849, 1.4852, 2.4778, 2.4879. For all the steel castings, actually, especially for 2.4879 materials, yes, this material can resist about 1,150 centigrade. working temperature, but in in this working condition, we also require very high operation. But for 2.4879 materials, it has very good heat resistant property, but there is no good wear resistant property. So this material, is proven not suitable for our working condition. Actually, even though with 2.4879 materials, the blade just can last less than 22 days. Okay. So also, the steel mills also tried many different materials such as cobalt alloy, nickel alloy materials, but all these materials cannot achieve very good service life. So we can see that if we continue trying the metal materials, we cannot conquer this issue. So we come to consider ceramics. So far, we have considered the 95% aluminum oxide. Also, we considered the carbon silicon ceramics. Such carbon silicon ceramics has a good wear resistant. Materials also has good impacts especially in high temperature working condition. Okay, so now we are making the carbon silicon blades. Will be put into production next month. Okay, so we are estimating the good result. Okay. Okay, so I'd like to show you. This is a kind of cobalt alloy parts. Okay, so cobalt alloy can be used, have a very good wear performance under the working temperature of about 600 centigrade. But the cost is also very high, so we just used them into a very special and high level working temperature. From this cobalt alloy parts, we adopt the investment cast process to make the parts. Okay, let's continue to talk about the ceramic liners. Okay, so I'd like to show you, because I have not finished the PPT presentation, so I just show you our photos. First, this is a kind of ceramic cement mill liners. Now this is a wave mill liners. Wave, you can see. Yes, this is a ceramic shell mill liners and without bolt holes. You can see this is the peak. This is the bottom. Yes. Okay. So such kind of ceramic mill liners have been used safely in cement mill, diameter 3.8 meters and 13 meters long cement mill. You will see. This is this is a dry grinding process. Yes, the grinding media is very small. So, actually, 30 millimeter size steel balls are best. This is the intermediate diaphragm. Yes, you can see this is the inside structure of cement mills. Okay, this is our boltless cement mill. Shell liners. Yeah, this is the end liners. This is the reclaiming rings. Yeah, this is grinding media. Yeah, this is the shell liners. Ceramic mill liners. Yes, you will. From this photo, you can clearly see the grinding media, small grinding balls, and this is the end liners. This is the high chrome white iron end liners. This is the shell liners, ceramic shell liners. This is the reclaiming rings. Okay. Yes, from this ceramic cement mill liners, we adopted the aluminum 95% aluminum oxide. Okay, so you will see this is a kind of also wear parts used in paper mills. So far, the regular material grade is a high chrome white iron, 28% high chrome white iron, but the service life is just 4 days. It's a very the working condition is a very corrosion and high chrome and high abrasion. So from this, considering such kind of working environment, we also consider ceramic. Ceramic is a kind of non-metallic materials. It has very good wear-resistant performance. Also, it has a very good corrosion-resistant property. So we just try to use ceramic to such kind of working condition to achieve better results than high chrome white iron. Just a 4-day service life. Okay, so this is in the steel mill. This is a kind of screw conveying machine. This is the metal screw blades. Just 22 days service life, very short. This is have been used, worn out. Okay, so we checked the blades and the bolts. Okay, so we had a meeting to discuss the wear blades in high temperature working condition. Now this is our ceramic mill liners, and from this part, this area is a high chrome white iron. Okay, yes, just now we noticed these photos. Tessa, could you please handle this part? Show our friend here. So today we bring a sample metal parts here. Yes. So you can see this is the blade. This is the current design. It's used in the steel mill, the screw conveying machines. This is the arc, and this is the hex bolt held shape. This is so far. We use this M20 bolts. The material grade is 310 stainless steel. Also, to resist the high temperature working condition. Yes, because this part will be used in up to 1,300 centigrade working condition. Also, it will be installed in the screw conveyors. So actually, this is the wear surface. When the screw conveyors, push all the structure forward, the wear blade, this working area of this blade will be worn out easily. Just 22 days, this area will be worn out. Because so far for this part, the material grade is similar to our heat resistant steel parts. It's 2.4879 materials. This is a very good heat resistant steel materials, but there is no good wear performance. So this material cannot solve this issue. So far, we have to improve our design to suit the high temperature, high abrasion application. So we considered the ceramics. So next month we will try the ceramic wear blades in such kind of high temperature, high abrasion working condition. So if we are successful in such kind of application, and we can help the steel mills to solve the headache question. Because just 22 days, all the set of wear blades will be replaced, because all these areas are worn out, cannot be used, are worn out. So the working condition is very severe. Okay, because this is 32 millimeter thick, but just 22 days are worn out. So we have to consider the very excellent wear performance ceramic. Because in such kind of working condition, the pallet size is just about 20 millimeter. So there is no big impact. Just push slowly. So we can daily adopt ceramic mill liners. Okay. Also, we will improve the bolt holes to suit our ceramic mill liner application. Okay. Yes. Also, we also improved the bolt hole design. Yes. Okay. Also for the because ceramic just has a disadvantage of low impact, so we have to improve many designs about this part to suit our ceramic application. Okay. Thank you, Kisa. Thank you. So you will understand that AB China is not only specialized in high alloy castings and forgings, but also focus on the research and the innovation of the new materials, especially the new wear and heat curing resistant materials. Sometimes just aiming at the specific working condition, we can work out new ideas to help our customers to solve their problems. Okay, because we also have a strong engineering capability, design capability. Because we are familiar with the different materials, metal materials, alloy materials, and ceramic materials. So we can put them together for consideration to try to work out a practical solution for our customers. Sometimes it is a very big change to solve the problem. Perhaps the problems have lasted for many years, many months, many years. Okay, so it our innovation has a big influence. Okay, so my dear friends, if you are interested in our wear solution, heat solution, or the mixed solution, wear, heat, and curing resistant application, you can just come to us and we will discuss with our engineers, our material experts, and to try to find a good solution for you. Okay, so also please follow our shop on Alibaba. Also then send your inquiries, drawings, working conditions to us, and we will start your drawings and working conditions and try to find a good solution for you. Also a good offer for you. Okay, So just now we introduced the high temperature, high abrasion screw blades in the steel mills. So far we have applied the two patents for such kind of innovation. Okay, so EB China also focus on the new material technology innovation. So far we have 22 patents. Also, another 2 patents are in the process of application. Okay, so till today you will understand that EB China is not just selling the alloys, the castings, forgings, and machines, but also we focus on the new development, research, and solution for the wear, heat, and cooling resistant application. Okay, any problems just come to us, and we will study your specific working condition, and to try to find a solution together with you. Okay. Okay, so tomorrow will be our holidays. Tomorrow is May 1st. We will have 5-day holidays from May 1st to May 5th. So, okay, so now just here, I'd like to wish all our friends, all our customers here Happy Labor Day. Okay. So, also this year, 2021 is also a special year, and also a growth year for EB China. So, although today is at the end of April, also, we work hard and we try to find a solution for our customers. Also try to have a meeting and discuss with our customers to just want to work together with our customers to meet their requirements. Yes, this is our real mind. Okay, so in the coming days, in the coming months this year, EB China just like to work together with all of you here, to find the solutions and to meet your demand, to meet your requirements. Yes, then let's together grow up together. Okay. So thank you. So that's all for our live show today. So let's see you next week. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Also, my dear friends, please do not forget to follow us. Follow us our shop on Alibaba. You know, every week we will make the live show regularly on Friday afternoon from 1:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. So you will always watch us on this period, okay? So as you may know, EB China specializes in high alloy castings, forgings, and machines. We also would like to, work out the solutions for our customers. So if you have any requirements, any inquiries, or any questions about your machines, your alloys, please just try to come to us, and we'd like to work together with you always. Okay, my dear friends, please follow us on our Alibaba shop. Then you can get more information from us. Also, can focus on our live show. Also, our updated information, many different activities, and also many different promotions, many new products released. Okay, so follow us on our Alibaba shop, and then you can get more. Okay, thank you. See you next Friday. Okay, bye. Thank you.